You want to learn how to paint hair that looks like this and this, so you can make paintings that look like this? I got you. Let's get into it. Come on. But just the depth just comes from the varying colors next to each other. That is it. Okay, so the main two tips are direction and depth. You can see the direction already taking place. You always want to be laying it out in the same direction. You don't want to just fill it in one color and then try to get your depth. So you can see, even as I was sketching it out, the pencil is going in the direction that I want the hair. Same with the beard. All individual streaks. And even as I'm painting just the background, just filling in the background, every little brush stroke is just all one direction. There you go, like the swishes. So this is a little more into the painting, but you can really see that once you fill in the back color, now that that's a lighter brown, you take a darker brown and you same thing, streaks, streaks, and the depth just paints itself. It's really something. It's already separating. Even though this looks like one big blob of brown down here, it was meticulously painted, light brown built on itself, just building layers on layers. So you're taking that darker brown, putting it over that lighter brown, and building that depth, but always just pulling in that direction, whatever direction the hair is going. And when you're painting hair, these are what gives the whole entire appearance realness, is these tiny flyaways, so it doesn't look so blocky at the end. So here's an up close shot. This is a great example of what Bob Ross likes to say: any detail up close is no detail. Don't make yourself crazy over trying to get every single little, unless you're going for hyperrealism. It sounds tedious, but if you're here watching, especially this far into this video, you don't mind tedious. And you can see the same thing here with the beard. You start with the darker brown, then I came in with the bronze, and then the white over that. Each of these is a separate brush stroke, varying the direction, pressure if you want, even brush size. To get like the edge of the beard to not look like a block, paint from back to front, fill in the depth behind it, get that neck shadow, make it look like his head is over this. That way when you come over the beard, every little brush stroke in every direction looks like its own little hair. That light contrasts so nicely against that dark. It just can't help but to reveal itself with the depth. I promise you guys, you can do this. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the first portrait I've ever painted. Go ahead and roast it in the comments. So this is not, contrary to popular belief, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, okay? You probably can't tell because it looks hardly anything like him, but this is a picture he took where he was wearing gold teeth. And you can really kind of see where my technique for hair started to implement. Every little streak was in its own direction, and eventually you have something that resembles hair and something that barely resembles a person. Let me put that away. So yeah, feel free to roast that in the comments. But that's what I'm saying. This is not difficult to do. I found that the detail was easier to get on a larger canvas, funny enough. Especially things with like the eyes, the shadowing. That'll be another separate tutorial on how to get these like realistic wrinkles with ease. I took one class during the first year or two of college, and it was a 2D art course. So anybody out there that thinks you can do it, you can, I promise you. You can make paintings like this. You can do it. If you like this tutorial, check out some more. Here's the Willie video link, and I hope you guys stick around. Feel free to like and subscribe and do all the things, and I can't wait to hear your opinion of my Jeff Goldblum. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys around.